Okay, guys, here you go. Here's your little teaser, okay? My turkey teaser, the lemon turkey teaser. And I'm just showing you a little clip on what you're missing. If you want to make this your turkey juicy and delicious this Thanksgiving, follow my directions from this video, you guys, and you won't go wrong. Your turkey will be so delicious, so flavorful, and so juicy. Yeah, I'm showing you just little clips, not showing you everything, not giving you all the juice. Just a little snippet, just to show you guys what you're missing. So if you want your turkey to turn out so juicy and delicious like this turkey turned out, you guys, follow my directions, and I will leave the link in the description for the full video. And you can check out the full video on how to make this turkey, and your turkey will be so delicious, just like this one turned out. Look at that. You see how juicy that is? It's so juicy. Look at that. And I have lots of tips in this video on how to make your turkey delicious and juicy when you cut into it. It's going to be juicy when you cut into it. But you got to check out the full video to see it, okay? So check out the full video, you guys, and let me know what you think. And thank me later. And let me know if your turkey turned out juicy the way that mine did, okay? And I will see you guys on the next one. And I'll see you soon, okay? Very soon with a new turkey recipe, okay? But I'm going to release this one because I'm working both jobs, and I just wanted to release one before Thanksgiving, okay? And then the other one I will release soon, you guys. Hopefully I'll get around to releasing it because I'm working. So see you later.